Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad K Sangma haka khatsau tarik Nailar hajar pusau ula pynbna Jaka Jngohkai Pyrthei ban bu deki tourist assistant kiba nala ke jong ke Jaka haka ban iarap iki nongwan nonggjngohkai Pyrthei syakani ke Jylla Meghalaya. Kani ke jingthmu ke Sorkar kalong ban shngain ki nongjngohkai Pyrthei bat kumjuh ban thaw yakilat kamai na ke bynta ki Samla trai ri. Haba kren haka jingmut bat ki nongïashim bynta haka kamjuhngyohkai Pyrthei u Conrad K Sangma ula banjur badonkam ke trai lang kirang ba shnong bat ki ba ban weng ki jing'e badang shen ki bakta ika kamjuhngyohkai Pyrthei.
Taxis that came into our state, and as you are all aware that this is something that should never have happened, and you will also agree that this is something that doesn't help any of us. Yes, there is an entire ecosystem. We are part of this ecosystem. We all have a role to play in it. But if somebody disturbs the system, as I said, it is so fragile that even a whisper and it will disappear. That's how sensitive things are. And therefore what happened was unfortunate, and it has impacted, let me tell you, it has impacted, and you know it better because you saw the cancellations that took place. I know it because I've been speaking to many people from the other states and our own state, and I know the overall picture that's happening. It's not a good thing. So therefore, coming to the point is that we have to take responsibility as a society about it. We have to take responsibility as stakeholders in this. Yes, police has its role to play, but police cannot be present every moment at every junction at any point in time. The incident could take place there and then, and police may arrive a bit later, but the damage is already done. So my appeal to all of you is that we need to sensitize our people in this entire process. Our Rangbah Shnongs have to take a role. I was listening to the speech, of course Paul translated some of it to me. He was mentioning about how the local headmen are mentioning that they should be made part of the discussion. Absolutely correct. They need to be brought and made part of the discussion.